Finding the courage to change. A matter of focus. I create my own reality. Where I focus my attention has great power. I know that when I wake up in a bad mood, my day starts out bad and gets worse in a hurry. And when I wake up excited and eager about my day, things just seem to get better and better. This helps me remember that the type of day that I will have is a simple matter of focus. What I focus on expands, so it's up to me to notice what I'm thinking about. I use meditation and journaling to learn more about how I focus. Once I start watching my thinking, I discover something interesting. I have patterns of thought and habits of thought. My thoughts also have both momentum and direction. My emotions tell me if my thoughts are heading in a positive or negative direction. Especially with powerful negative emotions, my thoughts gain momentum in a hurry. Just like a massive locomotive, they can be difficult to stop and almost impossible to divert into a more positive direction. Trains never make sharp right turns or 180-degree spins. They can go in the opposite direction, but only from a complete stop. My train of thought works the same way. First, I need to slow negative momentum down to a stop. Then I can focus on what I do want. When we sleep, we slow momentum. Sometimes a quick nap is in order. Meditation is the easiest tool to use when I don't have time for a nap. Once I'm not thinking, I can choose to focus on the positive. I create my own reality. Things are always working out for me. It's a matter of focus.